Okay, so let's take a look at how you can return token for your account as object. So what we'll do is we will log into developer edition of Salesforce and then open developer console. Okay, and it should open in new window or tab. Okay, then click on debug menu, then click on open execute anonymous window. If you have any existing code, you can remove that. Now here, first thing would be to create an account. Okay, so account acc new account. Here in constructor we are not passing anything, so it should create a default account. Okay, now in schema we are calling for sobject type. Let's name this T. We will go with, let's say, count dot get sobject type. Okay, and then we will output this token. Okay, so system.debug and then T. So what we have done so far is we created a new account and we are basically getting that account's sobject, okay, by calling schema.sobject type, and it should return the token which we are outputting in system.debug. So let's execute this. Okay, in logs we have to check user debug, so let's wait for user debug. Okay, so where's the user debug? Okay, now here, see, it returns with message account. So basically that token will output simply the account object without any entries within name or any other fields that account has. So you get the idea how to return such token for your account as object in Apex.